Welcome sa kaharian ng mga editor, editress, team, tech team. Tuldok, pinag-isang layunin ang magsama-sama bilang magkakaibigan ito na sila.
Yeah! Dalawang grupo, one connection. Check the Facebook, solid direction. Walang iwanan, no division. Friendship built with one mission. Mula sa chat, simpleng hey hello. Sa Facebook nagtakbo ngayon, di na solo. Iba-ibang mundo pero same ng goal. Pinag-isa ng tadhana, now one soul. Taping sa messenger, kulitan non-stop. Emoji at memes hanggang magpa-crop. From strangers to brothers, from sisters to fam. Now we stand together, mas matibay than them. Different vibes but same frequency. Connected like Wi-Fi, no latency. Distance man malayo, hot sa near. Kahit anong bagyo, di kami magpa-fear. Hindi lang basta group, ito'y pamilya. Samahang buo, walang duda. Through ups and downs, we stay strong. Magkakaibigan forever long. Walang iwanan, we rise together. To any song, anumang weather. English man o Tagalog flow. Friendship namin never let go. Chat to chat, post to post. Sa isa't isa kami close. Dalawang grupo, now we one. Forever friend, forever strong. Forever friend, forever strong. Forever friend, forever strong. Headline stories hanggang reels. Real talk moments, real na feels. Ang itampuhan pero walang talo. Pag may problema, sabay-sabay tayo. Late night talks hanggang madaling araw. Mga pangarap sabay nating tanaw. We build each other, motivate, inspire. Fueling each stream like it on a fire. No competition, your connection. Bonding solid, perfect direction. Di lang online kundi sa puso. Yes, yung namin hindi mabubuo sa uso. Play and pray, react it. Supportahan kahit sa anywhere. Like, comment, push to the top. Sasamahan namin walang magda-drop. Walang iwanan, we rise together. Through any storm, anumang weather. English man, Tagalog flow. Friendship namin never let go. Chat to chat, post to post. Sa isa't isa kami close. Dalawang grupo, now we're one. Forever friends, forever strong. Forever friend, forever strong. Forever friend, forever strong. May iwanan, hand in hand, united we forever stand. From Facebook chats to reality, this is real, not fantasy. English, Tagalog, mix and blend. Hindi lang tropa, we transcend. Dalawang grupo, one identity. Forever friendship, one community. Started with a message, now it's destiny.